Well, hi everybody. I'm just having fun walking. I'm doing so much better walking around downtown. I've got my walker with me, so if I have to sit down, I can, but I'm just enjoying walking around here a lot. Well, hi everybody. This is Elizabeth with Live Simple, Live Free. And this is just going to be a little video of just some things I've seen, some nice things going on. Hello. Very nice, friendly town. I'm enjoying, like I said, I'm enjoying walking around, just snooping and looking around. And Bill's getting his physical therapy, so I'm just out walking. I really want to get going on Tea with Jesus again. I started last week and then I got feeling pretty sick. I know it seems like I'm really perky in all these videos, but I can just do a little bit at a time. I don't have to talk real long. So I'm trying to figure out how to piece together everything that's involved in doing a good tea with Jesus. So anyway, I'm just going to share a few little clips with you. Before I do that, Bill and I both wanted to say, we've had a lot of interaction because of the stuff about the health insurance. We're just expressing to you what our experience has been. Please do not think we're experts. We can't really answer questions. Not really. Find somebody that can really give you the answers you need. Go to a broker or go to somebody with Medicare or just whatever you can find. There's some good suggestions in all these comments. But we don't consider ourselves expert. We just wanted to kind of share our own journey of getting insurance that we knew was going to cover us wherever we were as we snowbird. Okay, all right, well, I'll see you in a little bit. We had discovered that we really could use a good peeler, and I needed some good sharp knives even at the Airbnb, and I can certainly use these at the house. So once again, good old Pioneer Woman stuff. This is very strong peeler, and it comes with like a little protective case. And this is like one where you can julienne things and make slices. And then these are so beautiful. There's a small cleaver. These came in a set. And not only are they really pretty, here, let me turn this over. Not only are they really pretty, but they are really sharp, sturdy, good knives. I don't put them in the dishwasher. I just make sure they get hand washed. Isn't that pretty that that's like she says, they are beautiful, but still very useful. And so even this knife, even the knife itself, they all have something really pretty on them. They're good knives. Once again, I just really appreciate her stuff. I am not affiliated with her. I just like to use her stuff. That's Pioneer Woman. It's supposed to rain. How awesome is that we can just pull the car into a carport? That is so cool. Pretty cool, huh, hon? Yep. You hear that? That is an ice cream truck. I have not heard an ice cream truck in I don't know how long. It is so peaceful out here on this porch. I can feel the rain is going to start coming. There's a breeze blowing, but it's not cold. A little bit of humidity in the air. You can kind of feel you just feel the rain's going to come. That bag on the table over there is our lunch. We brought lunch today. Bill's inside painting. I stay out on the porch because I'm really trying not to be in the house too much right now. I don't know. I'm just thoroughly enjoying this porch. Well, I am totally enjoying the sunshine. We've had some really dramatic rain, but it's a sunshiny day today. Brilliant blue sky. Just cool enough. I'm wearing a light jacket, and oh my goodness, I'm so thankful to be somewhere where it's easy for me to get out and around, and I just can breathe. I really can. So, all right, listen, I love you guys. We're going to be back with more about the house very shortly, and be blessed. And you guys live simple, live free. We love you, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.